how to hard reset, factory reset, clean and wipe, Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G from 2022. Let's get into it. Motorola, we're going to hold down the power button at the same time. Volume down. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, this menu comes up and we're going to choose recovery mode. Press enter. This screen is very important. We are going to hold down the power button and then touch volume up to get out of the no command Android. Here we go. Power down and touch the volume up. 1, 2, 3, up, up. And then that brings us the Android recovery menu. And as always, we're going to scroll down to wipe data factory reset, press enter. Confirm factory data reset, press enter. And we'll wait a moment for the formatting to say complete. Stand by. And here we are. The data wipe has been completed. Now we're at reboot system now. And we can push enter. And our device is now factory reset and all data has been cleared and wiped. If this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.